It's Friday, May 17th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here, after breaking down and taking out those lows, market decided it wanted to hold here, to take out some liquidity, and then bounce right back up into the range. So I took a small gain on this trade. I bought some puts here as this red line was forming. I scaled out here, and then once I saw it failing to continue lower, I decided with an hour to go in trading, just watching this kind of price action, to exit with a small gain once it didn't give me that strong follow through. So bought those 532 puts at 446. I scaled out at 520 to set up an hour's trade, and then as it was coming back, I exited the rest at 475. So overall, small gain here. Obviously, the options as well, they're into 420s right now. 458 last trade, so back to about where you entered, but I just took a small gain, seeing this, knowing that this was definitely a possibility that it wouldn't follow through. High probability to me that it was going to take out the lows of the day, given this price action, given the 2 down day, and just given the end of the week that might want to close a little, red. But also, the more and more time is going on, the more I could see this weekly bar is likely going to close green, and that leads to the expectation for higher prices next week, which we'll get into in the recap video. But anyway, just showing you, entering with good location relative to the at least where the initial target is, gives you the opportunity to kind of set up no risk trades if these trades don't work out. And this environment's a little tricky here, as we've been discussing the last couple of days, in terms of overall uptrend and then trying to play the downside. So it's not like you have strong expectations this will fall through, but anything was possible. And again, getting in here, exiting, and then watching price action at the key inflection point gave you a good opportunity to treat it kind of as a no risk trade and a small gain. And now we'll just see how this day ends up here on the daily chart, and kind of then set our expectations into next week.